So we come in this morning and CJ is pulled over by a cop. What'd you do, man? If he wasn't getting a ticket, he would have been let off by now.
Yeah, you're no. He gets something.
Oh, man.
Alright, well.
I know he's pissed off. Oh!
You got at least 2 tickets.
Dude.
Guys.
So what happened?
Got pulled over for driving a Subaru?
Yep.
Dang. He clocked me doing 73 and a 60.
Oh,
at least it was in a 60 and not that 45.
That's what I was thinking.
He was like, do you know how fast the speed limit is going down 29? I was like, maybe 60, 65? And he was like, no, it's 60. I was like, oh man, I'm so sorry about that.
Man.
Don't speed, kid. Don't do it. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
Got him.
Watch out behind you there. There she is.
Bam!
Woo!
Back here again, we're working on Hunter's R32 GTR. I got the motor pulled out last night, as you can see. So for today, what I want to get done is stripping everything down. I want to take the intake manifold off, exhaust manifold, all the accessories, power steering, AC, alternator, everything is coming off of this. So we're gonna build it to make some pretty decent numbers. Hunter is in the military. Thank you for your service. Really appreciate it. But we're gonna build this car and have it pretty fresh for you. So I'm gonna start taking this thing apart and I'll get back to you guys. Look right there. See that crack right there on the flange? It's causing an exhaust leak. So that's not good. Luckily, he bought another manifold, so we don't have to worry about this one. But if this was a manifold that we were going to reuse, we would have to weld that back up. I got the motor to top dead center. On an RB, you have these marks here. You see one on your cam there, and then on this back plate, it's got one there. And then one here, one there, and then top dead center for the crank, it's right there. And now this is what we're looking at. As you can see, the motor is at top dead center. Bit of wear right here. See on the cylinder wall from the skirt of the Dragon.
Oh, Velcro life.
Yeah.
No.
So we make sure we're not over boosting.
Yep.
Where's that boost gauge?
Yeah. Yep. Just something temporary so we can see what the heck's going on. There's no boost gauge in the car, so we don't know where we're at.
Do you want to see my new powder coat?
You knew what? Your powder coat. Yeah. All right, so what are these going on?
These are for those 2 bronze wheels that I let Kendall get yesterday.
Look at that.
Alien silver.
Alien silver?
Yeah, it's super metallic, super glossy silver.
It's like spaceship silver.
Yeah, it's sick.
H2O! H2O!
No, but really, it's not that fast. It is pretty sick though.
It's holding until we're actually building enough boost pressure. I wonder if the wastegate's getting pushed open.
I wonder if the wastegate's set high.
We're here at Dominion Auto Works, and this place is awesome. They have all kinds of older projects and stuff like that. All right.
How's it going, man?
All right, nice to meet you.
These wheels? Okay. All right.
Regamaster wheels, super lightweight.
Right.
Super lightweight wheels. I just want to go back white. So if you could, I mean, they don't need a whole bunch. I mean, a little bit on the edges, a little bit, maybe just smooth that out.
Are you gonna put the decals back?
We have new decals for it, but we'll take care of that.
No problem.
All right. So just
Awesome.
do whatever you got to do to get that done. And so what's up with this El Camino over here?
Hopefully getting ready to leave.
Yeah. Oh yeah?
Yeah. It was stripped down to bare metal. All the body work redone. It was actually a really good body. Didn't have any rust in it. Just had a lot of little dings.
What's the deal with this? What car is it?
Believe it or not, it's a checker marathon. It's old taxi cab.
Okay. All right. Because I saw like the oval window there. I was thinking Thunderbird, but it's 4-door and it's way bigger. So
A fella from Germany bought it. Wanted it restored. When it's done, it's going to Berlin.
there was one like by my grade school.
Well, this has had a lot of bad patchwork in its past. It's been from body shop to body shop to body shop.
Right. What is it?
It's a 64 Fairlane.
64 Fairlane. Cool. Cool.
But you can see, I mean, some shop had put this in
And what they do? Just tack weld it and
and seam sealed around
seam
it.
seal it.
We got to clean up all the prior work.
What year is it?
67. It's a true Arco GT. Came factory with a 394 speed. The owner has a 394 in the 4-speed, but we're going with a 5-speed, a Tremec 5-speed, 351 Windsor, bored to a 408 stroker, pushing about 530 horsepower. All new floor pans, new firewall. The front frame rails had some rust in them. We addressed that the outer rails were in great shape, but the inner rails were rusting out. We were able to coat every panel inside and out. So when it goes together, it's going to be.
Is this gold? That's the stuff that you can
It's
weld?
weld-through primer.
Well, when I get my 71 split bumper, black with white stripes, Z28 Camaro.
There you go.
That's what I'm gonna get. I'll get Jason here to do it up for me from ground up.
That would be
frame off.
nice.
Dominion Auto Works, Lynchburg, Virginia. There you go.
Yep.
So who do we got here, Ed?
This is Cody. Cody has a R32 Skyline sedan, but he has not your average motor swap in it.
Nice Skyline, 4-door.
Pretty stock.
Yeah, it's pretty stock. Look, check it out. It's got some wheels, coilovers, I guess. Oh shit. Yo, this is pretty badass, man. What's going on here? What engine is this?
It's a stock LQ4 with the CZ009. S13 we're in.
Did you put a cam in it?
No,
or anything?
completely stock.
Just right out of a truck.
Yep, right out the truck.
So you got the truck intake. That's why you're going hoodless right now. Nice headers.
Yeah, they're Sicky right-hand drive S13 headers.
Nice.
Those look good, man. Come on, man. Yeah. Go do a little burnout.